In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos on Fresha. Whether you're updating your profile or showcasing your work online, adding photos on Fresha is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together so you can easily enhance your online presence. First, open your preferred web browser. Ideally, you'd use a browser that's updated to the latest version to ensure the best experience. Once your browser is open, navigate to Fresha's website. Simply type Fresha into your browser's address bar and press Enter. Or you could enter the URL if you have it handy. This will bring you to Fresha's homepage where you can begin the login process. Next, you'll need to log into your account, so click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password. Make sure you're entering this information correctly to prevent any login issues. If you have trouble remembering your password, Fresha typically offers a Forgot Password option that can help you reset it. Once you're logged in, head over to the section for online booking or your profile. The location of these sections can vary slightly depending on your user interface settings, but they're generally accessible from your account dashboard. Once there, look for an option like Edit Profile, which will allow you to make changes to your business's online presence. This button might have different wording, like Manage Profile, but the function is generally the same. This is the general area where you'll start making updates. Now, you want to look for a plus icon. It's usually situated in a prominent place on the page, serving as the starting point for uploading photos. This is the feature that helps you access your computer's file system to select the photos you want to upload. Clicking on the plus icon should open a window showing folders from your computer, where you can browse and select the right images to showcase your work or services. Once you've uploaded the photos, remember that the order in which they appear can be essential, especially if you're creating a showcase or a portfolio for potential clients. Fresha allows you to drag and drop these images into your desired order. Simply click and hold the image, drag it to the preferred spot, and release it. This feature provides a handy way to curate the visual experience for visitors to your profile. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply Changes option somewhere on the page. This ensures that your photo upload process is complete and that your profile reflects your updates. Saving locks in both the new photos and any adjustments you made to their arrangement, so this is a crucial step not to overlook. And there you have it. Adding photos on Fresha can be a simple yet impactful way to improve your profile and present your business in the best light possible. Be sure to check back on your profile to ensure everything looks just the way you want. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share any other topics you'd like to learn about in the comments.